Today, we're taking our backdrops on location. What's up, everyone? My name is Sal Sincata, and today I wanted to jazz things up a little bit. We're gonna take our backdrop on location, probably even put it in the water. So we've got something from Intuition Backgrounds, and we may die with all these, I think they're no-see-ums, whatever they are. I see them, and they are biting the shit out of me. We just want to do something a little bit different, right? So we've got Violet with us today. I like this because we're tone on tone with the outfit and backdrop, but then we've got the dark wet sand and then the blue sky in the background. I think it's going to photograph really well. It's probably looking really good on video as well.
This looks like a scene from some kind of sci-fi.
It does. All right, Violet, let's rock and roll, girl. Love this. Yep, let's keep working. Love that. I even like this vantage I've got shooting down. Yep, love that, Violet. Love that, love that, love that. Yeah, this does look like it's something from a sci-fi movie. Yeah, the clouds really amp this up. Love this, Violet, great job. So look, guys, the goal with stuff like this, and you're seeing images pop up on the screen, is you want to be able to showcase the environment as well, right? So it can't just be about the backdrop. Yep, love that, Violet, gorgeous. You're really trying to get the entire environment. That's why I'm shooting so wide here. If I were to zoom in, it would just look like I was shooting in my studio. So I'm really showing this, and it looks like we're in this, deserted area, which it kind of feels that way. And then we just have a backdrop. Gorgeous, love that. Can you start giving me some motion, Violet? Very slow, I love that, beautiful. So these are killer, right? So you're seeing all these images pop up on the screen. Look, as photographers, we've got to elevate our creativity from time to time. And this is a really simple way. This is a 5x7 backdrop, I think. I'm gonna check with the producers on this. She's nodding her head, yeah, so it is. I'm known to say randomly from time to time. It's a 5x7, very inexpensive, and it's something that we can put in the water and it's not gonna get ruined. And it's on, the backdrop stand is on a T-bar, so it's not a huge setup, something we can move with quickly. On camera, we're using the Canon EOS R5 and the 2870 f2. I'm shooting everything here at f2 just to give me, shallow depth of field. Love this. So what I wanna do now is I wanna back this up and let's put it in the water, shall we? All right, let's do it. I'm gonna let you go out there. I'm gonna hold this. Yeah, talent's gotta stay. I'd say go, I don't know, maybe like another 3 full steps in. Right there, right there. Will that stay? Can you kind of push it in? Does that look cool? Yeah, I want you in the water. All right, here you go. I feel like this is cool. We're very lucky we're getting this calm water. Yeah. Should we put it deeper? Like so I have more water?
Say it like that.
Should we put it deeper?
You're like, should we put it deeper?
You know what? That's not how I meant it, but my wife is here just setting me up, man. Setting me up to get in trouble. And then all the comments are going to be like, he's a pervert.
You want to go deeper?
You know how I said, you want to go deeper? I'll give you my trucker voice. Let's go deeper.
Okay.
All right. Anyway, back to the show. All right. Go deeper, Alyssa. Brandy, what's your assessment of the photo shoot so far? How's it how are things going?
Angelic.
Things angelic is how we're going to describe it. Let's get another interview here while Alyssa's setting that up. Violet, what's your assessment of how things are going so far? Yeah?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10, 2 thumbs up?
Except for the bugs.
Except for the bugs. Bugs are a challenge right now. Alyssa, how's that going out there? So do we need to bring it in a little closer? The ship's sail is getting a little crooked up top. See, the thing is, I can say whatever I want. I'm on dry land right now, so if I want to give her some, I'm fine. Yeah. Sorry, I was talking to the crew, the audience. Violet, what's up, fam? Violet, what are you doing? Are you giving yourself a bath? Okay, can you come back towards me? Right about there is where I'm gonna have you. There we go, producer. All right, step this way. I feel like it doesn't look as good. Damn it, there's no way for us to get that right because this top-down picture, it looks cool. No, it's not gonna change what's going on in the bottom. Why don't you stand, you're in there, can you stand behind it and square it up? Brandy will film. Can you get that square? Here you go, Brandy. You're in charge of filming. There we go. Let's rock and roll. Love that, Violet, looking away. Gorgeous, love that, beautiful. Keep going, keep going. This doesn't even look real, man. Gorgeous, Violet. That is a wrap, but what I am gonna do right now, because I know you're all dying for me to do it, is just get rid of that backdrop and just shoot her out there. So we're gonna do that right now too. I know that's what you want. I'm gonna give the people what they want. We are so lucky right now that this water is just so calm. It just doesn't look real. Violet, can you go like 3 more steps back? Yeah, right there. Love that. And then maybe from there, like you're almost like, yeah, I like this, okay? Does not look real. Yep, how are the bugs out there? Really? She is a champ. You want to start walking towards me? No, I think we can make this work. Hold on. Yep, let's do it. Pay attention to how you're looking as you're walking, right? Here we go. Start coming to me. Eye contact. What if we do that? Can we do it where like where your arms are down holding the dress and coming at me? Let me see you right there. And give me like big steps, big splashy steps. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Stay with me the whole time. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. All right, everybody, that is a wrap. The pictures, they came out really cool, both with the backdrop and without. So the key takeaway here, first of all, Violet, trooper, as always, making magic together. But the key takeaway here, guys, is amp up your creativity, do something different, something no one else is doing, and elevate your photography. We'll see you in the next video. We got to get out of here.